from total nail removal, permanent removal, and this is 48 hours after surgery. And what we can see here is that there is some kind of dry blood within the dressing itself. There's a little bit of bleeding, but that's normal because we did a surgical operation. We're just removing the dressing itself.
Wiggling it out.
That's why the dressing is so big, because it does bleed. It needs to be quite tightly packed and thick to contain the blood. And then we need to gently remove the dressing, not to pull it too quick because it can be quite sensitive. Amazing. Excellent. So what we're going to do is we're just going to irrigate, clean the wound. But it looks good. It doesn't look infected or anything like that. Yes, please. Get some gauze and just chop it underneath. It's just going to go everywhere. So obviously there's a lot of damage. That makes sense because the phenol is to cause a lot of damage. So that just needs to heal. These usually take around 4 to 6 weeks to completely heal. And just one more time, Stephanie. It just went a bit blurry. Yep, fantastic. So you need to dress this kind of like 2 to 3 times a day. The more you dress it, it means that it can air out a little bit, but also constantly dressing it can allow the energy to kill off any germs where it may be a problem.
Let's dress it up.
So what you want to do is just wipe the toe a bit more. You want to make sure you pat dry really, really thoroughly because any moisture can lead to an infection. So on the top of the toe and also on the side of the toe. Yeah. Yeah, fantastic. Then we have our inner just put that square on top. And that's fantastic. Yeah, good. And then a melon, sterilize. Nice dressing. Just another one to tape on the top, very gently. And then just some more tape to secure it. We'll do a virtual review next week, and I'll see you probably in person, depending on what the picture looks like the week after. You get kind of 2 wound care appointments. Obviously, at any point in time, if you feel like there's anything wrong, just email me, send me a picture, okay? Fantastic.